make a left here on McClintock. Here is the main entrance to USC. Jay, do you have your pass?
I do.
And
I got my Friday campus day pass from Trojan Check.
there we go. I would come onto campus about 20 minutes early. The line here tends to back up. And you just present it to the guard check here. And just show them the pass. And there we go. So there will be a second Trojan check up ahead. This is the football field to the left. There's a bit of construction right now. You can see up ahead lots of rebar and cinder block construction. Yeah, go for it. There we go. We are filming close to the end of the day, so normally there's a secondary checkpoint right here. And now we're at Downey Way. We'll continue straight. And it's a little blurry, sorry guys. To the right is parking structure A and DPS. Continue going straight. More student housing. This is Curbside. So this is called 37th Place. We're going to make a left. And if you look straight ahead, that's the Iovine and Young Academy directly ahead of us. And just next to that building is the wood shop. It's the NBC McDonald Beckett Center wood shop. And to the left is Watt Hall. So if you see this green gate right here, this is the location. And here we will have your curbside pickups ready for you.